Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change text color on Discord. First of all, what you have to do is open your web browser, and this is the website called texttrick.com. What you have to do is simply click on the hamburger menu and simply select on Discord color text. Now it will take you to this page. All you have to do is type in your text. For instance, once you have written the text, select like individual word and then select the color and click on apply. I will select this one and click on apply. Now you can also select multiple colors all at once, and then you can also make it like rainbow by simply clicking on bold. You can also make it underlined. Once you're done, click on copy for Discord. Now you have to open the Discord and simply paste on that text. Hit enter. As you can see, the text is now in the color format. But if you try to open the same text into the Discord mobile version, here you won't be able to see colors because there are some limitation of the phone application. But if you use the web version, you will be able to see the exact same coloring that we have just copied. And that's simply how you can change text color on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.